Number 1.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,995, solid and well-maintained full-size pickup that combines classic Dodge styling with dependable V8 performance. Powered by a strong 5.2L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this 4x4 truck runs and drives great with no known mechanical issues. With only 106,000 miles, it has been well cared for and remains in very nice overall condition for its age. Finished in a sharp red exterior over a clean black interior, the truck has an excellent appearance both inside and out. The paint still shines nicely and gives the truck a clean, well-kept look. The interior has clearly been maintained over the years, showing minimal wear and offering a comfortable cabin with a classic late 90s Dodge truck feel. This Ram comes with a clean title and is ready to hit the road immediately. The wheels and tires are in great condition and complement the truck's stance perfectly, whether it is being used as a dependable daily driver or weekend cruiser.
Number 2.
1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,900, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior. It runs and drives great, powered by a newer Jasper 5.7L 350 V8 engine and transmission with approximately 100k miles. The truck retains its stock interior and features an old-school vintage Scottsdale seat cover. It has been upgraded with LED lighting in both the front and rear, along with a Beltec 5.7 lowering kit and C-notch setup that gives it an aggressive lowered stance without sacrificing drivability. Rolling on brand new staggered 22-inch vintage-style ARMAG wheels wrapped in new tires, this Sierra has a clean classic look that stands out. It also features a new exhaust system with a deep, great-sounding tone, along with a fresh tune-up, new oil pump, oil pressure sending unit, brake pads, and brake booster.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, featuring an automatic transmission, a bold brown exterior, and a matching brown interior that perfectly complements its unique style. The truck is finished in a distinctive James Brown and black paint scheme, while the cabin showcases a premium brown ostrich interior that adds a high-end custom touch throughout the interior. Under the hood, it comes equipped with a newly installed engine and transmission, delivering dependable performance and smooth driving. The truck also features a reckless 6/12 strut suspension setup combined with massive 24-inch blades, giving it an aggressive lowered stance and eye-catching street presence. Everything on the vehicle is reported to be in working condition, making it a solid turnkey build that is ready for inspection and cruising immediately.
Number 4.
1994 Ford F-150, price $6,500, showing 216,000 miles. The truck is powered by its original 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a dependable 2WD drivetrain. Finished in white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and still retains many of its original factory components, including the engine, transmission, and wheels. The body is straight and solid with no bondo, giving the truck a clean and honest appearance throughout. It also comes equipped with dual fuel tank capability, making it practical for longer drives or daily use. One of the standout features is the ice-cold air conditioning, which works exceptionally well and adds to the overall driving comfort. Overall, this F-150 presents itself as a reliable and highly original OBS Ford pickup that has clearly been cared for over the years, making it a great option for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck with strong V8 performance and timeless styling.
Number 5.
1987 Nissan D21, price $5,200, powered by a rebuilt 2.4L Z24i engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The fresh engine build has around 100 miles and features an ISKY racing cam, ported head and intake, high-compression pistons, Weber 3838 carburetor, and a full emissions delete. It also includes a custom fuel system setup and a 2-inch side exit exhaust with a deep tone. The truck recently received a completely rebuilt front suspension with new steering components, joints, and shocks. Numerous maintenance items and upgrades have also been completed, including new gaskets, fluids, alternator, starter, ignition components, locks, handles, lights, and interior pieces. Finished in Ford blue tractor enamel with black trim, the truck presents well overall with minor imperfections and no engine oil or coolant leaks.
Number 6.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, clean title short bed pickup powered by a strong-running 454 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a custom black interior, this truck offers a classic appearance with a performance-oriented feel. It runs very strong, delivers impressive power, and features several custom engine components that enhance both performance and driving experience. The body is clean overall and presents nicely, while the custom interior adds a unique touch that sets the truck apart from a standard build.
According to the owner, the truck only needs minor TLC, mainly small paint detail imperfections, but remains in solid condition for its age.
With its powerful drivetrain, desirable short bed configuration, and custom upgrades, this Chevrolet 1500 stands out as a strong classic street truck with plenty of character.
Number 7.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $4,599. This truck is in excellent condition and has been very well maintained. It comes with a clean New Jersey title in hand and is ready for its next owner. The truck currently has 143,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission paired with a dependable gasoline engine. Finished in a sharp blue exterior with a clean gray interior, this Ranger has a classic look that still stands out today. The motor and transmission perform excellently with no known issues, making it a strong and reliable daily driver or work truck. The air conditioning blows freezing cold, the heater works great, and everything functions as it should. The body and overall condition speak for themselves, showing how well this truck has been cared for over the years. It is easily one of the cleanest Ford Rangers currently available on the marketplace.
Number 8.
1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,750, showing 138,000 original miles. Powered by a new 350 crate motor and backed by a freshly rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered truck delivers strong performance and dependable drivability. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it carries a clean and classic appearance that fits the era perfectly. The truck has also been fitted with brand new tires, adding to its road-ready condition. Described as a solid truck throughout, it runs and drives great, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a reliable classic GMC pickup with tasteful mechanical upgrades already completed.
Number 9.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,500. This truck is powered by a reliable 5.9L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 130,000 miles, the truck runs and drives excellent with no mechanical problems reported. Powered by gasoline, it delivers strong performance while maintaining the classic feel of a late 90s Dodge pickup. The truck features a clean white exterior that presents very well along with an excellent interior that has been well cared for over the years. It has recently been serviced and comes equipped with brand new premium tires, making it ready for daily driving, road trips, or light hauling. Cold AC works perfectly, emissions are up to date, and everything is said to function as it should. Number 10. 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,900, powered by a reliable 5.2L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 103,000 original miles, it has low mileage for its age and has clearly been maintained well over the years. The truck features a red exterior matched with a clean gray interior, giving it a classic look both inside and out. It runs on gasoline and starts, drives, and shifts smoothly. The AC blows cold, making it comfortable to drive in any weather, and it recently received a set of brand new tires for added reliability on the road. The truck also comes with a clean title in hand. Overall, this Dodge Ram is a solid, dependable pickup that would make a great daily driver, weekend cruiser, or reliable work truck.